Good morning. This is Lisa with Ashley's Building. This is like take 10, but I'm just going to let it fly. Anyways, I'm here in South Bossier in Shady Grove area. We're at one of our remodeling project sites, and it's a live, construction site. And that's my husband in the background. He's coping some crown molding right now. But anyways, I brought you here today to show you how one of our sites is ran, and I'm really excited about this kitchen remodel that we're doing for the homeowners. They've been waiting years. Actually, the lady of the house has been waiting for years for this, but we are really going to deck out this kitchen for her. It's going to be a cottage kitchen is what I'm calling it, with blue lower cabinets, white upper cabinets. We're going to do a beautiful island with butcher block stained top, and the vent hood's going to be stained to match the butcher block. So I'm really excited about it. It's going to be way different than what this kitchen looked like. And if you want to see what it looked like, you can look on our Facebook page. I have some before pictures and some in the middle pictures on there as well. But anyways, I want to take you inside to show you some things that we do at Ashley's Building. So come on with me. Whoops, almost dropped it, sorry. Okay, so right here are all the cabinets, and as you walk in, the wood smell is just amazing. But that's me, the designer in me. Just love it. All our cabinets, I just want to add, are completely solid wood. You're never going to have MDF coming off of our delivery trucks. I just want to add that. Everything is, I don't know if you can see that. Everything is soft closed. So when you wake up in the morning, you're never going to have the banging of the cabinets. Moms, we know what that's like, right? All the kids slamming and banging into those cabinets in the morning. Also, I want you to take note. I mean, we try to keep our job sites really, really clean. As you can see, there's really not a lot of dirt on our floors. I wish my kids' rooms were this clean, actually. That's sad. That is sad when my kids' rooms are dirtier than a job site. Anyways, moving on over here, this is our vent hood. This is going to be stained for the client. Over here is the buffet area. The bottom is going to be painted a blue. Top is going to be white. And we're going to do a neat backsplash, kind of like I don't want to say a Mexican tile, but it's going to be a very decorative, kind of a grayish, white, blackish tile. That's also on our Facebook page too, that you can see. Over here is where the, sorry, this is my first time doing it. So over here is where the oven, wall oven, and the microwave's going to go. And we got this huge pantry. The guys are working on all the cove molding right now. I love chunky cove molding. I love it. Just love it. Now, one thing that I want to mention that's really important to us as remodelers, when we're focusing in on just one area of the house, we don't want to dust out the rest of your house. So what we do is what's called a zip wall system. As you can see right here, see this zipper? Back there is the rest of the house. That's actually a living room. And yes, they have furniture and they have their TV and, everything is back over there. So we want them to still be able to come and go through this area, but we don't want the mess and the dust, to also go over there. Not only that, we use a filter system, which is right over here. This is a machine that when we're doing some cutting or sanding or spraying, we open the windows and we put this, what I call a big old slinky, out the window, and it kind of does like a negative air filter system in the room, so it helps to filter out all the dust and chemicals and things like that, so it doesn't go in the other room. Anyway, so those are some of the things that we do here at Ashley's Building, and I'm really excited about this project. I love to create new rooms for our clients, and you know, our clients, they plan this and they dream about these new kitchens and bathrooms for so long, and to make their dreams come true and give them spaces that they can just walk in and just enjoy for years and years and years. That's what we love to do. So remember us when you or one of your friends or family members want to remodel. Give us a call. Ashley'sBuilding.com.